Okay everybody, let's go and try to create this presentation. Let's see what it gave us. It's a start like this, go like this, and then like this. Let's try to create this effect and see how we can create it. At first I copy that because I need it and paste it here. I see not the picture, and the picture is not in the background, as you can see. And the picture are in a different size. I copy a picture and paste it here. For now, I just make it the biggest size possible for now. Okay, it's good. Now, what I'm going to create, I'm going to create this shape. It's easy. If you see my another videos, you already know that. And if you don't see, you know that because it's easy. But if you don't know, it's not a problem. We create a rectangle and then a circle. Okay, it's good. As a circle, it's enough. Put it in the middle. Ctrl A to select all and then make them combine. Our shape is ready. Make it black. And just we are going to give it a little shadow. Okay, inner type, no, not inner type, outer. Okay, it's good. We gave it a little shadow and then we are going to paste our picture in the back. But you see, this picture is very beautifuler than that. Why? Because we need to reduce the picture size. I tell you how do we reduce. We press Ctrl and Shift and then reduce it in size. Now we have the picture, but we need to create the great effect that we created in the video. We need to copy the text. It's just a text and it don't have any effects. And then copy the slide, press Ctrl and Shift and make it bigger in size, and then Ctrl and Shift and make it bigger in size until it looks like this. Then make the title up, then copy that slide, and after copying that slide, reduce it in size, reduce a little more, a little. Okay, this size is good, and just reduce it in size. We are going to make it bigger here. Press Ctrl and OK. It's a lot big, but it's good now. And then we are just going to copy the text and put the text here. Put the text here. Oh, this kind of text, no. Put the text here, okay. Sorry, we copied the text. Put the text here. Now, all we need to do, we need to somehow make the text visible. How we can do that? We just create a rectangle in the size of text, make it color black and reduce the transparency, and we just make the picture front, bring them to front, and then put it back. Now we just need to select the picture, keep it a little higher, select all of them and send the transition to morph. Now your presentation is ready. Let's look at it. It's a great zoom effect you can use and it make your slide look better and better. Okay, until the next lesson that we are going to create another presentation, please like and subscribe and ask me if you have any question in comments. I will answer within 1 day.